Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will discuss about the exam stress. How can we deal with the exam stress? When exams time comes around, you need to be able to perform at your best. But while a little stress can help you focus on exams, too much can affect your memory and even your health. It's natural to be under stress during exams, but there are things you can do to manage stress well. What does stress look like? The symptoms of stress include forgetfulness, tiredness during the day, difficulties with sleep, headaches, and a poor appetite, a lack of interest in things you normally enjoy doing. If you feel any of these symptoms and signs, then you need to do something to deal with. The question is, what can I do? The good news is that there are many ways to manage exam stress. Here are a few of the best ways. One of the most useful things you can do is to organize your time in a weekly schedule. You should write down the time you are going to study and for how long. Include a variety of activities to keep you motivated and some fun things as a reward. It is quite normal to want to compare yourself with your friends, but you should not worry if you do things differently. Remember that there are a lot of ways to prepare for exams, so choose one that works for you. You must not forget about what you eat either. Research has shown that a balanced diet can have huge benefits and advantages on your ability, on your health, to think as well as your level of stress. Start each day with a good breakfast and eat plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables during the day. It's wise to keep a bottle of water with you to stay hydrated, but avoid too much tea or coffee, which contain caffeine and may make you anxious or stressed. It can create so many other problems for you, and a little physical exercise is an excellent way to get rid of stress and anxiety and boredom. You should do a bit of exercise every day for about 30 minutes or 5 days in a week. Include it in your daily timetable and you will feel more awake and more relaxed. Don't forget to get plenty of sleep. You must get at least 8 hours of sleep every night for your mind to work well. And one important piece of advice is to remember that life continues when exams are over. It's not the end of the world, whatever the results. Dear fellows, these were a few suggestions and tips to deal with the exam stress and that how you can improve your daily life. I hope that you will get benefit from these tips. Thank you very much.